on YouTube, my family, and my friends? Back once again with another quick tutorial for you. Try to make it as quick as possible today. You know, got my Diamond Club on. Official merch, you know what I'm saying? But check this out, though. So, I got my Corel open. Got the picture of Muhammad Ali. The picture of Muhammad Ali, of course. I did a search on Google for Muhammad Ali. Found that picture. Had the squares and everything already on it. Let me show y'all what I did real quick. If I can find it. I should be able to find it real quick. Let's see here. They got a few of them. You know, they got like that one. Let's see here. Where is it at? Where is it at? So it might be up under Muhammad. There it is. Boom. But then they got this one too. Same picture, you know. Alright. So we're going to delete that one though. Let's work with this one. So all I did was right clicked on it. I did an outline trace clip art. Of course, because I will be printing this out, I just cut the detail up on it. I ungroup all the objects. And as you can see here, it has like these white sections in here. Won't be needing those. Boom. Next, what I did was I took and highlighted all of this. But then well, let me do this first. Let me select that, select this, weld those together, weld that maroon together, and all of this purple down here. Let's go ahead and weld that together. Like so. Weld that purple together like so. Now I'll go in here and select all of that. Deselect the maroon and deselect the purple. And group all of these objects together here. So that there we have just the Muhammad Ali and the guy laying on the floor. His opponent that he just knocked out is on the floor. Next, what I'll do is I straighten these lines out, right? The boxes out, because as you can see, if I bring a ruler down to here, that's not straight across there. So I drug a ruler out, drug another one out, drug another one out, just to straighten up these lines. See, and get them to be straight boxes. Next, I can bring y'all over here. Got my boxes straight. I got my Ali right here, grouped together. So next, what I did was I grabbed them, I ungrouped all objects, I highlighted over the whole thing, and I just combined all of that together. Boom. After I combined it, I welded it. And the reason why I did that is because this will be white glitter that I'm going to sublimate on. I'm going to sublimate on the white glitter, and the boxes are representative of the rhinestones. So what I'll do here is I'll click on this box using my rhinestone wizard, change the settings to 0.075, inside add stones, and I'll just do a hatch fill on that. As you can see, the hatch fill comes out wonderfully. I just have to put a few stones at the bottom. Down here, once I put those few stones right there at the bottom, and hatch fill this box, hatch fill this box, and hatch fill this box. Taking quite a while to merge the overlapping stones. Corel, don't fail me now. Corel, don't fail me now. Oh, when it does this, oh, there it is. Boom. Remember, after something like that, save your work, folks. That was extensive. So let's change all of those tanzanite stones to like this deep orange right here for now. Just so that I can see it. I'll even take this line right here. I'll move that stone over, drag this stone down to get the correct placement, change the color, and that's good for me. Delete that one, change that one back to maroon. Next, what I'll do is I'll delete all of those, grab that stone, hold down shift, grab that stone, do an edit, fill between two, boom, perfect. That box is looking good. Look at that. That box is perfect. Filled with rhinestones. Looks like I gotta fill this little area in here. I'll fill that area in now. Let's just do a quick place and fill, hatch fill on that as well. Just to get that row of stones in there. That's cool with me. Next, let's move to the teal. Hatch fill. Should do it perfectly. Boom. Clear the paths. Merge overlapping stones. Oh yeah. Shoobity doobity doo doo. It's alright. Come on. So this design, I'm pretty much flying through it, you know. And wait till y'all see what it looks like. So I was going to sublimate it, but I decided not to sublimate it because I don't want it on a white shirt. I want it on a black shirt. And at the current time, I have a 7620 here, a Workforce 7620, and my ET 2720, which are both sublimation, have sublimation ink in it. So I'll have to pull out my I believe I got a Canon. I got a Canon printer in there if I wanted to print out a t-shirt transfer and do the Muhammad Ali part in a t-shirt transfer, you know. And I was like, no, I don't want the t-shirt transfer feeling. So I decided to go with glitter. Even though glitter is a little thicker than the t-shirt transfer, it should still give me that shine that I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? Look like this. So we're going to see how this turned out. I had the stone colors behind him, and then have him and his opponent on the floor. Sublimated. We're going to see how this go. We're going to see how this go. Alright, so let me finish hatch filling the boxes, and we'll move on to the next step, which is cutting it out. Okay, so here we are, all completed. Got the circles set in there ever so nicely. Got everything looking right. Everything looking great. So next what I want to do is this part right here will need to be vinyl double cut. That's the glitter part. So I'll save that. Go back to my page 1. And now all of the stones will need to be cut out. So I'm going to grab all of the same size, which is the first one, this one here. All of the same size, which will select all of the stones in the design. Now that I have all the stones selected, I'll drag them here, copy them like so. And there we have it, folks. And what I will want to do is next, I'll put a box around it. I could have left it as it was, since it's taking so long to select all of the stones. And let's go to our templates again, and what we need to do is the stone 2+ cut. Let it run through the design. And here we go. There we have it, the stone 2+ cut. Now, I don't have enough rhinestone flock to complete this today. So as soon as the rhinestone flock comes in, I will complete this design. And it looks like I can cut it out. Let's see here. 19 inches by 7 inches. Okay. But if I cut it this way, that should be 11. Let's see here. Yes, perfect. So I'll be able to cut out that top part all together because it's 10.9 inches and the rhinestone flock is 12 inches. So I'll be able to cut that out perfectly. 16.163 inches across. And this one should be pretty much the same. Yep. Okay, cool. So it's all saved and ready to go. I cut out 2 rhinestone templates, affixed them to the foam boards. I'll brush in one color here, one color there, one color there, one color there. It's gonna be lit, trust me. Alright, y'all, so here we have it. We have, that's how it's gonna look when it's all said and done. Now, this is gonna be so exclusive for my closet. That's all I can say. It's gonna be lit like a bic. Of course, I can change the colors as much as I want to. I think I'm pretty much gonna leave it like that. Make this, that's supposed to be purple and that's supposed to be a shade of red, you know. So choose the stones accordingly.